Hello and welcome to this video. Today I'm going to show you how stock physically moves during the manufacturing process in Odoo, from raw materials all the way to finished goods and how this helps in better stock tracking. So let's begin. First, let's go to the inventory app. Here in the configuration, let's go to the warehouse and enable three-step manufacturing. In three-step manufacturing, Odoo creates a component pick, a manufacturing order, and a finished product transfer, updating inventory for both consumed materials and produced goods. Now let's move to step 1, that is the initial stock or asset stage. So let's go to reporting and stock location. By default, there's an internal locations filter here. You can remove it and then group by location. Here we can see different stock locations in Odoo, like warehouse stock, production, vendors, customers, etc., along with the quantity available in each. This helps us track exactly where our products are at any point in the process. And if we check stock, we can see all the products or raw materials which are sitting in our inventory. At this stage, they are simply stored as stock. That is, nothing is happening yet. Now let's go to the next step, that is confirming a manufacturing order. So let's go to the manufacturing app. Here in the products, the product I'm going to use today is the sofa set. And you can see that I've already assigned a bill of materials here. The raw materials are foam padding and plywood. And these are the operations. So let's go to operation and create a new manufacturing order. Let's set the product and click on confirm. Now, the moment we confirm a manufacturing order, Odoo automatically pulls the required raw materials from stock into the pre-production location. To view that, let's click on the Smart button transfers. And as you can see, a pick operation is commencing here. Raw materials from the stock are now being transferred to the pre-production location. So let's click on validate. To view this, we can go back to our inventory, reporting and stock locations. Here you can see that the raw materials are now in pre-production. Now let's go back to our manufacturing order and produce all. A second transfer button is created here. Let's click on it. As you can see, this is for transfer of product from post-production to the stock. Let's go back to our inventory once. When we reload it, you can see that our finished product is now in post-production. Once we click on validate, our finished product will go back to stock. So let's reload this. As you can see, the previous number in the sofa set was 5. Now it is increased by 1. That is, now it is 6. To view the detailed traceability report, let's go back to our manufacturing order. And here in the traceability smart button, we can see a detailed report of the stock movement. As you can see, the raw materials from pre-production were sent to production, which is a virtual location. And later on, when the manufacturing order was completed, the finished product was sent from production to post-production, as you can see here, and then it came back to stock. So that's the full flow. Stock starts as raw materials, move through pre-production and production, and becomes a finished product and return back to inventory. It is simple, but it is also very important to understand how Odoo tracks physical movement of stock. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching and see you again in the next video.